Today I am here with a new topic, phrase and sentence. One of the similarities between phrase and sentence, they are both are group of words. If you see here the definitions, phrase a group of words, sentence a group of words, but both are different. In what ways they are different, that we have to see, so that at the end of this video you can identify which group of words are phrase and which group of words are sentence. So first understand about phrase. Phrase, it is a group of words that expresses a thought but not a complete thought. It means a group of words that does not make sense. It means a group of words that does not have complete meaning. Any group of words, if it has incomplete meaning, it doesn't make any sense, it is incomplete thought, then that group of words, it is a phrase. Numbers of time we have read, we have used, like see the examples: in the city, near the door, this book, with her mother. If you observe this group of words, see, in the city, there are three words, it is a group of words. Second, near the door, three words, near, the and door, so it is also a group of words. This and book, it is a group of words. With her mother, it is also a group of words. But when we read this, when we write this independently, that time they do not make complete sense, they do not have complete meaning. Other thing we have to observe, that this group of words, they do not have subject and verb that agree with each other. So group of words which does not have complete meaning, it means which has incomplete meaning, which does not have subject and verb that agrees with each other. Such group of words, they are called phrase. I hope you have understood. Repeating, a group of words which have incomplete meaning, which does not have complete meaning, which doesn't make complete sense, and does not have subject and verb that agree with each other. Such group of words, they are phrase. Now we move to the second topic, sentence. As I said earlier, sentence, it is also a group of words. But see the difference? A group of words that expresses a complete thought. It means a group of words which has complete sense or which make complete sense. A group of words which has complete meaning. Such group of words, they are called sentence. See, phrase, it is a group of words that expresses a thought but not a complete thought. Whereas sentence, it is a group of words that expresses complete thought. So it is a huge difference between phrase and sentence. That phrase, it has incomplete meaning, it doesn't make complete sense. Whereas sentence, it is a group of words which makes complete sense, which has complete meaning. A group of words that makes a complete sense or that has a complete meaning, that is a sentence. Example of sentence is, she lives in the city. When we read this group of words, she lives in the city, it has complete meaning. I want to draw your attention here that see, it has in the city. Here when we have written here in the city, that time it doesn't make a sense. In the city, it has incomplete meaning. But when this in the city, it has been added subject and verb, then it has made the sense, she lives in the city. Now it has become a sentence. So one more thing, remember that phrase, they are part of a sentence. They are part of a sentence. Second sentence, the pencil is near the door. Same, for your understanding, I have written, say, here near the door. It is example of phrase. But when I have used this phrase to make a sentence, that time I have added the pencil is. The pencil is near the door, it makes complete sense, it has complete meaning, so it is example of sentence. Third, this book is written by Ruskin Bond. Here also we can get complete meaning, it makes complete sense, so it is also part of sentence. And the last, she goes to school with her brother. This group of words, it also makes complete sense, so it is also an example of sentence. So see friends, here this book and here with her brother, they both were phrase, but when they are used in a sentence, that time we have added subject and verb, then they have made the sense. So we can say in other words that phrase can be part of a sentence, but independently phrase does not have complete meaning. When the phrase it is used in a sentence, it means when it is a part of a sentence, that time they have meaning, but independently they do not make complete sense. Once again I am repeating, easy to identify phrase and sentence, a group of words which does not make complete sense, it means which has incomplete meaning, it is a phrase. A group of words which has incomplete meaning, which does not make complete sense, it is a phrase. Whereas a group of words which has complete meaning, it means it makes complete sense, that is a sentence. In sentence we find subject as well as the other words, and most importantly, the most important, we can easily identify that sentence makes complete sense, sentence it has complete meaning, whereas phrase it does not have complete meaning. When you will get the assignment of sentence and phrase, in that you have to identify whether a group of words it is a phrase or a sentence, and I hope you have understood that what is a phrase and what is a sentence.